All right, welcome back to Cooking Chicken Fetus with Cletus. So we got this new hard-boiled egg recipe, and I already got everything all laid out. So this one's going to go quick, so pay attention. You just want to get 4 to 6 hard-boiled eggs. We're going to cut them in half, and we're going to get them in a container here. I'm going to start out with 3, see if they all fit. Okay, oh yeah, they do. We can go with a little bit more on this one. And I buy the hard-boiled eggs that are already pre-cooked. I don't have time to boil water and crack the shells, and I suck at hard-boiled eggs. I can make a lot of good things. I suck at hard-boiled eggs. I never get the shell off clean. These things are awesome. I just get them at Walmart. You can get them anywhere. Okay, from there, you got them all in your container right here. We're going to add some thinly sliced jalapeños. Okay, I went with a lot. I like heat, and jalapeños is about the only heat I can handle anymore. And then from there, we're going to go with some thin sliced white onion, and probably about like so. I probably could have kept those a little smaller, but it'll work. And right after you add all that in your container, we're going to need the juice of 1 green lemon. All right, so right in half. We're going to take that. We're going to squeeze this right on top. Super, super simple. Now, I'm excited to try this one. I've seen this a lot. And the last one was with Corey. I mean, if you guys don't follow his channel, he's amazing. But, okay. Got that. And then just some sea salt or Himalayan salt. This is Himalayan peak salt, or honestly, any salt. Okay. It smells and looks really awesome. I love eggs. I eat a ton of eggs. So I'm actually really excited for this one. Forgot my lid right here. And we're just going to give this a shake. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm going to make sure I get a little bit of everything on here with a little bit smaller piece of onion. Yeah, like I said, you saw how fast and easy that was? How you can transform something so simple as a boiled egg into something absolutely delicious. And all right, 1, 2, and oh, that is so good. I would have never thought of putting lime juice in here. You probably do a little pepper too. The jalapeno has a super, super nice, refreshing heat. The onions are crisp, bite through. I'll eat this whole thing. This one's awesome. This is a make right here. You gotta try this.